Yeah. Chase. Shut up, fool. We're going to get him. Oh yeah, now it's my turn. Okay, no need for the dot in that. No need, that's just a waste of eyeliner. Nah. My turn. Where's the lid? Done? Look at that face, look. Nah. Wrong end. Battle face. Battle face. We're going to text Chase. He just texted again. It was like bloom, 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 bloom. Yeah. Yeah. Stop it. Yeah. Bye-bye.